So you're unable to settle your claim, and now it's time to file a lawsuit. The big question is, should you file your personal injury case in General District Court or Circuit Court in Virginia? Get this wrong and you can leave thousands of dollars on the table or spend more time and money than you need to. I'm Ryan Wynn, founder of Wynn Injury Law. We help injured Virginians make smart legal decisions and get the justice they deserve. Today, I'm going to explain the key differences between General District Court and Circuit Court, when to use each, and how we can help you choose the right path. If you're facing a personal injury case or even just weighing your options, stick around. This could save you time, money, and stress. Let's start with the basics. General District Court is used for smaller cases involving amounts less than $50,000. There's no jury, just a judge. There's also limited discovery, no depositions, and lower costs. You can often get a trial date within 6 months. Circuit Court is a bigger stage. You can sue for whatever amount of money you want, request a jury trial, and use complete discovery. However, this means incurring additional expenses, including expert fees, deposition costs, and trial prep expenses. It's more involved, but sometimes it's absolutely necessary. So when does one make more sense than the other? Let's walk through two scenarios. Let's say you were in a fender bender. You went to urgent care, did a couple months of physical therapy, but made a full recovery. Your medical bills total around $8,000, and you're looking for compensation for those bills, the stress, and inconvenience you went through. You're looking at a claim that's worth probably around $20,000 to $30,000. In this case, General District Court would be the obvious choice. It's faster, you'll save on legal fees, and you won't need to bring in expensive expert witnesses. You'll still have to prove your case, but it's efficient, and the lower cost will mean that the client will receive more money in the end. Let's move on to the second situation. Picture this. You were involved in a serious crash. You've had surgery, you're still in treatment, and there's a real chance you'll have long-term complications. Your medical bills are climbing, and there's a real chance you may not be able to return to your job. In that situation, Circuit Court would be the obvious choice. Why? Because you will be seeking over $50,000, and you may need a jury to understand the long-term impact of your injuries. Yes, it's more expensive. Yes, it takes longer. But when the stakes are this high, it is well worth the investment. Here at Wynn Injury Law, we walk you through the decision every step of the way. We consider the medical process, your future treatment needs, the value of your case, and your comfort with the legal process. Sometimes we start in General District Court to apply pressure and resolve quickly. At other times, we go straight to Circuit Court when the case warrants it. This is not a one-size-fits-all choice, and we make sure you don't have to guess. Generally, it is more beneficial for the client to file in General District Court unless the claim is potentially worth over $50,000. So whether your case is straightforward or complex, it's critical to file in the right court. The wrong choice could cost you time, money, and justice. If you are unsure where to start or just want an honest, strategic opinion, give us a call. At Wynn Injury Law, we're here to fight smart and win big for you. We are Wynn Law, and we are here for you, Virginia.